Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw crypto while avoiding insufficient network fee errors. Complete guide step by step clearly. Before you start the withdrawal process, ensure you have access to your crypto wallet. Open your crypto wallet application or website. Locate the section for withdrawals or transfers. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Now, before proceeding, check the network's current status. Visit a blockchain explorer specific to your cryptocurrency. Look for the current average transaction fees displayed. These fees are essential to ensure your transaction is processed. Next, compare the current fees to your wallet's suggested fees. If the suggested fee is lower than the current average, it may result in an insufficient network fee error. To avoid this, manually adjust the transaction fee to a higher amount. Most wallets allow you to customize transaction fees. Select a fee higher than the average you found. As a rule of thumb, aim for a fee in the upper range to ensure quick processing. Once you've set the transaction fee, double-check the recipient's wallet address. Ensure there are no mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. After confirming the address, review all details one last time. If everything looks correct, proceed to initiate the withdrawal. Monitor the withdrawal status in your wallet. Depending on network conditions, it may take time to process. If the transaction fails, revisit the steps to check your fee settings. If needed, try lowering the withdrawal amount to see if it helps. Once the transaction is successful, confirm the receipt in the destination wallet. Keep track of transaction IDs for future reference. If you encounter repeated issues, consult your wallet's support resources for guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.